Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply Gaussian blur to a live video recording in native Android application using CameraX. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So what I have noticed is that there is some performance hit when you try to apply Gaussian blur to a live video recording. So yeah, that's why. Also I'm mirroring my device, so the output will be little bit laggy, just bear with me. So over here first we require the camera permission, so I'll just give the camera permission. I'll give record audio permission as well, and here you can see it does take a bit of time to load because of the Gaussian blur thing. I'll just click on start. So it has started the video recording. As you can see, it has just hanged for a second, like I might get the application not responding error as well. I'm trying to move my device, but it is taking bit of time to catch up, and I'll click on stop as well. Like I said, this media 3 effect is still in alpha, that's why I think there is this performance issue. Hopefully it gets fixed soon. Now I have stopped it. Hopefully the video is saved. Okay, it is still not saved, so it is still processing. I'll just wait. I'll just put down my device. Hopefully it does get saved. Like we get a toast message once the video is saved. So yeah, I'm waiting for that toast message. Not sure if it is already saved or not, but anyways, let's just see. I'll just move out of this application. Okay, it is taking a bit of time even to move out. Also I'm using a very cheap Android device. You might not see this performance issue if you are using a Pixel like device, but yeah, there is some performance hit. Okay, so the video is not saved yet. Okay, I don't think the video will get saved now. Let me try pressing the start button and stop button again, and this time yeah, there is some performance issues. Okay, in the meantime I'll just click on, okay, as you can see, I'll just click on the stop button now. Let it save it. In the meantime I'll just show you guys the actual code, and once the video is saved I'll just show you guys the output as well. So like I said, I have created an XML layout project. So first you will have to go to this build.gradle.kts, and here I have added this camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera video, camera view, this Android X media 3 effect as well as media 3 effect. Then the version number are specified inside this libs.versions.toml because we are using version catalog. So here we have to add this camera core, this camera 2, then this camera lifecycle, this media 3 effect, sorry, this one which is still in alpha. If it does become stable, make sure you use the stable version so that you don't see this kind of performance issues. Then this media 3 effect version as well, and here you will have to add this camera lifecycle, camera 2, camera core, camera view, camera videos. So make sure you add all this, and here you have to add this Android X media 3 effect as well as media 3 effect. Then you will see a sync now button. Just click on it and it should download all the necessary dependencies for you. Then you will have to go to manifest, android manifest.xml, and here you have to use this camera feature, then this camera permission, record audio permission, as well as write external storage permission. Then just go to res layout activity underscore main.xml, and here you just have to use this first preview view, give it some id, make the width and height as 0 dp, and constrain it to all sides of the screen to occupy the entire width and height of the screen. Then here you have to define one button as well, where you pass the width and height, also the id, the elevation is 2 dp, text is start, and we constrain it to the bottom of the screen. Okay, then once, so I already shown you this, I have shown you this Android manifest, this permission, this one. Okay, and then just go to the main activity which you can get over here. Okay, so firstly these are all the imports. So the video is still not saved. Let's go through this file as well. So these are all the imports, so feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy all this imports. Again, I'll just remove this unnecessary imports as well, and here we are annotating with @unstable API. So if I just comment this out, at the bottom you will see this error. Now this Gaussian blur is not from that alpha version of the library, but the stable version. But this is one of the quirks of Android development. Even though the library is stable, the APIs are a bit unstable. That's why I have to uncomment this particular part out. Then here we define our video capture. Here is our recording as well. Then here is our camera executor service. Here we define our preview view viewfinder. Then here is our button as well. Then here we use a register for activity result for requesting multiple permissions, and by default this boolean variable is true. Then we just loop over all the values and make it as false, and if it is false we display a toast message, else we just call start camera. Then inside on create we initialize our viewfinder as well as our button, and then we initialize this all permissions granted as well, and passing our start camera. Here is our request permission as well. Then here we do button dot set on click listener, passing our capture video, and once the video has been captured, if it is not equal to null, then we just do button dot is enabled equal to false. We get our recording, we stop our recording, make it as null. Then here we use the simple date format. Then we define this content values dot apply, passing the display name mime type, and if it is greater than Android P we also set the relative path. Then here we define the media store output option by passing the content values. Then we just do video capture dot output, start our prepare recording as well, and here we just check whether the audio permission was granted. If yes, we just do with audio enabled. Then we just call the start method. Here is our start method. As you can see, we just change the text of our button as well as is enabled equal to true, and once this is finalized and if there is no error, then we display a toast message as we stop our recording and change the text of our button is enabled to true as well. Then here is our start camera, where we do process camera provider dot get instance. Then we do camera provider future dot add listener. We get that provider, we do a preview view dot builder, we build it. Then we just do recorder dot builder, set the quality selector as well as the video capture, and here we just do camera selector dot default back camera. Here we do use case group builder dot build, add our preview use case as well as video capture use case. Then we just do this is the Gaussian blur which we apply. Okay, maybe I should change this value so that I don't get this much performance effect. So what we'll do is, like I said, the video is still not stored. I think it is taking a lot of RAM on my device as well. Okay, my device just hanged completely. Anyways, I'll show you in a bit, but let's go through the code first. Then we just add this media 3 effect use case group builder. Then we just unbind our camera. Then we bind to the life cycle by passing the camera selector as well, and then we just do like go through this cache clause. Then here I have defined another method where we request the permission, and another method just to check whether permission was granted. Then inside on desktop we just do camera executor dot shutdown, and here I have just defined a companion object where we pass the file name format as well as the required permission, where we pass camera as well as record audio, and if the version is less than equal to Android P, we just pass the write external storage permission. So yeah, that's it. Now let's like I said, the video is still not stored, so I'll just change this value to maybe 5, and here what I'll do is I'll just remove this. Maybe we don't require this preview. Let's see. I mean, we can remove this image capture as well, but let's see. I think our app might crash. The preview is necessary, I guess. I feel like so, but let's see if it runs. Okay, it crashed. So the preview thing is necessary. I don't think I would be able to save the video, but let's try one more time, maybe with a Gaussian blur of 5. Maybe I might get lucky. So this preview, I thought maybe we'll just remove the Gaussian blur for our preview view. So I've just started, and after a few seconds I'll just quickly, again the Gaussian blur is not that great in this, but here you can see the video has been captured. So that's what I wanted to show it to you. I think if I just make it as 20, my device is not able to handle it. Maybe you can try it on your own device. So here you can see this is the Gaussian. Again, the Gaussian blur is not that great, but hopefully you got the point. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.